Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how we can deposit or withdraw crypto on Bitget Exchange. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, go ahead, open up your particular app and make sure you're signed in as well. Now right afterwards, tap on this option of assets at the bottom right section. And now from over here you're gonna find this kind of interface. From there, gonna tap on deposit first. And now go ahead, choose the currency that you would like to deposit, and now tap, then simply go ahead, select a chain that you would prefer. Now we will have a particular QR code in the address popping up for us to deposit the same Bitcoin on the particular address. Now go ahead, copy it up, go to your external wallet, paste it, add in the amount of worth you want to buy, tap on continue, and do the transaction. That's how you can do it. And now let's go back. Now for the withdrawal, again you're gonna go to assets tab and now tap on this withdraw. Again, choose the particular currency that you would like to withdraw, tap on them simply. Now from over here, simply switch to internal or on chain. If it's on chain, then it will have a slightly different interface, but it will ask the same information. If you want to simply withdraw it to your internal wallet, you can switch to that. Now add in your account type. You can use email, phone number, or UID, any of the information if you remember, and then add your account name, type in withdrawal amount. Once you're done, tap on submit and simply follow the further steps that will be required to confirm. Once you've done that, your withdrawal will be successfully done, and that is it. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.